In a world of rollable smartphones and self-driving cars, gardening tech has evolved just as impressively. Drones, smartphone-controlled irrigation, ultra-efficient sprinklers, even for casual gardeners. The line between science fiction and everyday reality is getting blurrier with each season. And this is only the beginning of a revolution that's bringing us back to the earth with the help of technology. The OASA R1 lawnmower runs like a Swiss watch, precise, quiet, and fully autonomous. Instead of traditional spinning blades, it uses a cylindrical block with self-sharpening knives. Cool, right? And we have not even mentioned the light detection and ranging LiDAR navigation, anti-theft system, and smartphone control. In just 1 hour, it maintains up to 500 square meters. All this high-tech goodness comes at a price starting from $1,200. Spreading 1.5 tons of fertilizer across a field in just 1 hour. That's the power of the DJI Agras T50 drone. But it doesn't stop there. It can also spray crops, covering up to 21 hectares per hour in open fields, or up to 4 hectares per hour in orchards. The Comac electric pruner offers both power and comfort in one tool. It sells for $279 and handles branches up to 42 millimeters thick. The kit includes 2 batteries, providing up to 10 hours of work. A built-in light-emitting diode screen makes it easy to check the battery level and count your cuts. The garden of your dreams is just around the corner. Planting bulbs is a breeze with this specialized tool from Gardena. It not only creates the perfect planting hole, but also neatly covers it with soil. A built-in depth scale helps ensure you plant at just the right depth. And with a 25-year warranty, you know this tool is built to last. The price is $15. Dreaming of a magazine cover garden without the back-breaking work? Meet Willow. This robot has 2 arms and artificial intelligence. It mows the lawn, gathers leaves, weeds your flower beds, and even brings you drinks. When it is done, it returns to its charger. Just tell it what needs doing, and watch your garden transform. The first batch of 150 Willow units sold out fast, despite the $10,000 price tag. Tired of mosquitoes ruining your evenings in the backyard? Meet Dino Trap, a bug trap that covers up to 4,000 square meters. Ultraviolet light lures insects in, and a powerful fan pulls them into the trap. No smoke, no chemicals, and no nasty smells. It does not just work on mosquitoes, but also handles flies, gnats, moths, and more. Now, that is versatility well worth the $127. The pedal camera looks like a flower, but works like an entire laboratory. It records in 4K resolution, identifies birds and insects, and even edits and narrates cinematic clips. It is as if a BBC Earth studio appeared in your backyard. The camera charges via Universal Serial Bus Type-C or a solar panel. It sells for $142. No more tripping over shovels or spending ages searching for a hoe in a messy pile of tools. The Root Assassin Garden Organizer is here to tackle the chaos. It securely holds up to 5 long-handled tools, and, like a true assassin, it is ready to spring into action while hanging neatly on the wall. The price is $34. Every garden is different, and so are its watering needs. With 9 spray modes, this Hoselink sprinkler adapts easily to anything from a square vegetable patch to a crescent-shaped flower bed. Just turn the dial to select your spray pattern, and water will go exactly where it is needed. The sprinkler has a reach of about 6 meters and costs $34. Give the earth a second breath. The Vogt team is pleased to offer a compact yet efficient soil aeration unit. It also delivers beneficial substances into the ground. Specifically, the Geo-Injector fluid model works with liquid and gel-like substances such as fertilizers, biostimulants, and fungicides. The built-in mixing mechanism prevents solid particles from settling or liquids from separating, ensuring a uniform mixture. This makes the unit suitable even for restoring areas damaged by construction or erosion. Your garden deserves top-notch care, and so do you. Meet the fine-cut cordless shears. They run for over 2 hours on a single charge and come with 2 tool-free interchangeable blades. The cutting width is 14 centimeters for grass and 20 centimeters for shrubs. The shears are priced at $93. Blades getting dull, pruners jamming, axes not chopping like they used to? The Sharpo 103N is here to help. It is one of the most versatile sharpeners out there, restoring sharpness to everything from hoes and pruners to scythes and chisels. With its comfortable handle, safety handguard, and well-designed sharpening angles, what used to be a chore becomes a breeze. It can be yours for $20. At first glance, this is just a ring, but in fact, it is a smart water-saving solution. Meet Water Well, a clever design for efficient tree and shrub irrigation. It keeps your plants hydrated while saving up to 50% of water. Compatible with drip systems and measuring 63 centimeters in diameter, this ring costs $43. Tired of crawling on your knees through endless rows of crops? The Glider 200 turns planting, weeding, and harvesting into a comfortable ride. This battery-powered platform can run autonomously for up to 4 hours, or be towed by a tractor, all-terrain vehicle, or lawnmower. And if one pair of hands is not enough, it can be converted into a 2-seater. Not in vain, it can handle up to 180 kilograms. The Wise Bulb Cam is both a smart light bulb with 800 lumens of brightness and a camera with 2K color night vision and a 160-degree field of view. You can group up to 5 bulbs for synchronized brightness and schedules. One Wise Bulb Cam with an E26 base sells for $50. The Z2 is one of the most successful tillers for private users who want to take care of their gardens and vegetable plots without too much hassle. It is available with 3 engine options of up to 3.5 horsepower and handles even clay soil with ease. Its compact size makes it ideal for working in tight and narrow areas. It is also compatible with plows, aerators, and other attachments. The price is $915. The drone can operate fully automatically when needed, while simultaneously mapping the area using its onboard camera. The DJI Agras T50 costs around $15,000. Chapin offers a range of spreaders, including the compact 8706A hand model. It holds 1.66 L, costs $18, and is perfect for small-scale jobs for larger tasks. Take a look at the TOW. Behind 8620B, it automatically activates when moving and shuts off. When you stop with 11 adjustment levels, you can fine-tune the flow to your needs. Just hitch it to an ATV or tractor and get to work without any hassle. This model costs $297.